Hey guys, Linda Vater here. When I first started to garden, I was like probably most of you, it was all about color and flowering plants and things that bloomed. But now, after 30 years of gardening, I care a lot more about foliage and texture and kind of the play of one kind of plant form against another kind of plant form. And I think it's one of the reasons I am so in love with Soft Caress Mahonia. It is one of my new favorite plants for shady areas. It works just brilliantly as like a low hedge or a ground cover. This only grows to about 3 feet, and it's why I selected it for the perimeter of an area of kind of a little brick patio that we've just established in the back. It has this gorgeous, almost kind of a bluish green cast to its foliage. It's so delicate. I don't know that I've ever known of a plant that so replicates the name of the plant, Soft Caress. It's just really so delicate and so feathery, and it's going to look beautiful contrasting with this large bank of hydrangeas I have behind me with those really bold leaves. It'll also look great with hosta. It'll look so sweet with little tiny daffodils or little violas that will come up and bloom through its kind of cut leaf foliage. The other reason that I like it is it will put out at another time, at the time of year when most things don't put out anything to bloom, it will put out little yellow flowers almost identical to this tiny little yellow viola. So it will be a beautiful blooming plant in the shade. I think it's just wonderful, and I absolutely love it. And apparently so did the Royal Horticultural Society, because in 2013 they named it as its plant of the year. So yet another reason I had to have it in my garden. So if you need a plant that's for a shady location, it's tough, it's reliable, it's delicate, it's beautiful, then you need to run, not walk, to get some Soft Caress Mahonia from the Southern Living Plant Collection.